Zhejiang Huili Capsules Company Limited, one professional empty capsule manufacturer in Zhejiang, China. Huili was founded in 1981, keeping expansion and development in all these years. It has been 10 years. While doing international businesses all over the world, Huili has got US FDA registered, Halal certified, and ISO 9001 approved. It was rated as Provincial High-Tech Enterprise in 2017. For capsule quality and service, it has earned good reputation among all its customers in pharmaceutical and food supplement industries. Currently, our production capacity reaches 8 billion pieces each year. Empty gelatin capsules, empty HPMC capsules, and empty Pollen capsules are available in all sizes and customized colors. Produced at GMP standard facilities, through state-of-art manufacturing processes and systems, via strict appearance and chemical inspection, capsules in all batches have 0 defects. We partner with 1,000 customers in over 50 countries, offering novel and customized solutions. Commitments are made by Huili Capsules, consistently stable and reliable quality, prompt delivery, and excellent service are always offered. We listen to our customers' suggestions and make feedback actively so that we can develop high-quality products to meet customers' needs. We are looking forward to building successful business relationship with new clients to develop both of our business. If you have any inquiries, please contact us freely. We believe we will be a good partner and will never let you disappointed.